How to fix blurry pictures on Android. Now first of all, what do you mean? Whether you mean that you're having blurry pictures whenever you're taking a picture from your camera, then first of all you can try to see some of your camera settings if you have enabled a low amount of footages. So sometimes for fast processing you must have enabled this, so you can turn on high efficiency pictures and so on to see if that helps you. Another thing is check for any type of marks that you have on your camera, lenses and so on. So if you're having those dents and so on, that could be the reason. But if you're talking about, let's say you have got certainly a blurry picture inside your gallery and then you would like to fix that particular blurry picture. Now most of the Android phones will have the option. Due to the AI these days, most of the Android phones will have the solution for blurry pictures. In the case of my Samsung phone, if I click the three dots option, I'll have the option that says remaster. So I can tap on the edit button here, then I can just tap on the three dots or anywhere options, then I can tap on remaster option and so on to be able to increase the resolution of the current image. Or you can also use third-party services. You can see blurry image remover and the AI will fill in all the missing pixels, and that should be able to help you with it. But I hope this video pretty much helped you understand the reasons and the differences. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.